Best WordPress cookie consent plugin in 2026. If you run a WordPress website in 2026, here is the uncomfortable truth. Your site is probably breaking privacy laws right now. Not because you're doing something shady, but because cookies, tracking scripts, and analytical tools automatically fire before users give consent. And that is exactly why cookie consent plugins exist in the first place. And one of the most well-known names in this space is Cookiebot by Usercentrics. But the real question is Cookiebot still the best option in 2026, or are there better alternatives for WordPress users? In this video, we're going to be breaking down Cookiebot in detail. We're going to look at how it works, what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it's still worth using compared to newer plugins like Cookie Yes, Compliance, and WordPress Consent. So let's get into it. Now, Cookiebot is a GDPR and CCPA compliant cookie consent management platform. It's going to work by scanning your website, detecting cookies and trackers, categorizing them, and then blocking non-essential scripts until the user gives permission. So instead of guessing what cookies your site uses, Cookiebot automatically builds a full cookie declaration for you. It also handles consent banners, user preferences, consent logging, regional compliance. This makes it quite popular among publishers, agencies, and larger websites that need a lot of strict compliance. Now, in short, Cookiebot is not just a banner, it is a full compliance system. Now, what's going to happen when you install Cookiebot? So first of all, you do need to make sure that you have a fully working WordPress website with WooCommerce working for you. First of all, once you download Cookiebot, you connect your domain using a Cookiebot ID. All right. Then Cookiebot is going to scan your entire website. All right. It detects analytical scripts like Google Analytics, marketing pixels, embedded third-party tools, cookies stored in browser sessions, and after scanning, it automatically groups them into categories: essential, statistics, marketing's, preferences. Now, whenever a user is going to visit your website, Cookiebot is going to show a consent banner before anything loads. Now, if the user rejects cookies, those scripts still stay blocked. And if they accept it, the scripts are activated. Now, this is called prior consent blocking, and it is the core requirement under GDPR compliance. So let's break down what Cookiebot is actually going to offer for you. All right. First of all, there is automatic cookie scanning. Cookiebot is going to regularly scan your website and updates cookie data automatically. This is quite helpful because most websites constantly change with new plugins, ads, and scripts. Secondly, GDPR, CCPA, global compliance. Cookiebot is going to support major privacy laws including GDPR, CCPA, LGPD, PDPA, PIPEDA, and 40 plus additional privacy laws worldwide. Now, this makes it quite suitable for global websites. One of the most important legal features is going to be consent logging. So Cookiebot records who accepted the cookies, what they accepted, and how they accepted it. This helps prove compliance if you are ever audited. Now, if your website has global traffic, Cookiebot can also automatically show banners in different languages, leading to multi-language support. Google Consent Mode integration is also available, where Cookiebot integrates with Google Consent, which allows analytics to adjust behavior based on your user content. Now, this is quite crucial for Google Analytics for tracking accuracy. Now, let's talk about setting up Cookiebot. First of all, you need to create an account on Cookiebot's very own system. So you can go over to their very own website, and once you go to their website, there you get the option to create an account for yourself pretty effortlessly and flawlessly. And once we go ahead and create an account for yourself, it's totally free, it's totally simple and straightforward. So once that is done, you can add your domain. Okay. Adding your domain is pretty simple. You can either use one of Cookiebot's domains or add in your very own custom domain if you're more over to that side. After that, you're going to go over to your WordPress and install the WordPress plugin. Nextly, you paste your domain group ID into WordPress. Then you configure banner settings like layout, colors, text, button behavior. Finally, you run the first scan and wait for Cookiebot to categorize everything. Once that is done, your site is technically compliant. So let's talk about what Cookiebot does well. Cookiebot is widely trusted for GDPR level compliance and is used across millions of websites. You don't need to manually track cookies. This is quite important for businesses that need audit protection. Cookiebot is quite stable and widely adopted in professional environments. Now, here is where things get interesting. Cookiebot is not perfect. First of all, the pricing has increased incredibly. Recent industry reports and user feedback show that Cookiebot pricing has become significantly more expensive. So there's the free charge, but of course, if you want to go for the premium charge, it is much more expensive. Then there is the SaaS dependency, where Cookiebot is totally cloud-based. That means your consent data is stored externally. You rely on their servers. You're tied to their pricing model. For simple blogs or small business sites, Cookiebot can feel like overkill. It is quite powerful, but not always necessary. And across WordPress communities, a common pattern is going to appear. Many users like Cookiebot for compliance strength, but many also switch away due to cost and complexity. Some move to Cookie Yes, compliance, WP consent, and a whole lot more. So if you're building a WordPress website, don't just install the first cookie plugin you see. Choose based on your needs, not just popularity.
So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. And also do make sure to share this video around with your friends and family or anyone in need of this video, because that truly helps me out. And also, do let me know if you have other ideas for videos, maybe related to this topic, maybe related to some other topic, other CRMs, other softwares, etc. Do let me know down in the comments below and I will definitely make them for you. And again, if there is any consistent issue with something in this video, or if you think I made a mistake on something, do let me know and I will fix that, or, let you know if it is right or wrong immediately. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is. Again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video around, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.